Hi viewers, we are back again. So we have an exponential expression equation given to us here to solve. Remember, this is mathematics for early beginners. Okay, so I will take you step-by-step process to get to the answer. So we have solved 2 raised to power x is equal to 8. So I have my 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 8. I want to subdivide the board. Now, you remember this is exponents, we are dealing with powers. So it will be very easy for us to express the both sides in terms of powers. So we are going to express it in terms of power. And another thing again you need to do in exponents, always look if you can make the base the same. Either you make the base the same or the power the same. It helps you find the unknown variable very fast. In this term here now, our base here is 2. Well, here we are having 8. Is there any way that we can change this power of 8 itself in such a way that the base will become 2? And it is possible. Remember that 8 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So in such situation, remember that there is always a single power of 1, 1, 1. And the law of indices states that when you are having a multiplication of the same base, you sum the power. So this is the same thing as writing 2 into, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is what? 3. So it means that here we are going to replace this 8 with 2 raised to power 3. So this gradually becomes 2x is now equal to 2 raised to power 3. Now, one of the law of the exponents or indices states that when the base are the same, you equate the power. That is when you're having an equality sign in between them. If you're having the same base, you equate the power. If you're having the same power, you take the same base together. So now in this situation here now, since we're having the same base, so therefore x will be equal to 3. And this becomes the answer to the question. If you want to check if you're correct, substitute the value of 3 in this place and see whether you're going to get it. If you should do so, you know that you are correct. Thank you. Bye for now.